If you're watching this tutorial, then you're as late to Stardew Valley as I am. So after all of that convincing from all of our friends, we finally decided to give Stardew Valley a shot. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'll be as fast as I was last night. What? This guide is for modding Stardew Valley on Steam and allowing you to still keep your achievements. First, we are going to open Nexus Mods. Once you open Nexus Mods, we are going to download 3 mods for this video. All the links will be in the description. The first mod we are going to get is the Stardew modding API. This is the framework that most mods require in order for them to run. The second mod we will get is the generic mod config menu. This mod allows you to adjust all the settings of your mods while you are in game. And the third mod we are going to get is timespeed, which is going to allow us to slow time down. This one is especially useful if you're playing the game in multiplayer. If you've played this game in multiplayer before, then you know that time runs faster than the kid who used to steal your lunch money. So in order to download these mods, you're just going to click on the manual download over here. And right here, you are going to click on the slow download. Once you've done that, it'll pop up and you can just go and save that. Next, you are going to extract all of your mods to their folders. The first mod we are going to work with is the API. We're going to open this up and install it on Windows. So we are going to click 1 because we want to add this to our library, which is correct as we see here. Then when it asks what do I want to do, I'm going to press 1 again to install the API. After we do that, it's going to give us this green text over here. Next, we are going to copy this entire line from the quotes to the comma. This is going to allow us to enable the achievements on Steam. So you are just going to highlight this entire line and then you are going to press Ctrl+C to copy it. After you're done with that, you can close out of this and we are done. We need to make sure that Steam has that line of code so that we can keep our achievements while running our mods. So what we're going to do is we are going to open our Steam. We are going to right click on Stardew Valley and we are going to click on properties. Here in the general, you should see launch options. You are going to just press Ctrl+V and paste in that command that we just copied. Next, all we are going to do is run Stardew Valley so that it can create the first time install folders of the API. From now, when you start launching the game, it's first going to pop up a command prompt of your API. This is not a problem. You're just going to have to wait an extra few seconds and it's going to load all your mods into the game before it launches the game. Once your game is open, you can just simply exit. Now that we have ran the game for the first time, we should have our folders created within Stardew Valley. Now we want to get our mods into the game. So these are the 2 mods that we still need to put into the game. So we are going to go to Stardew Valley in our Steam. We're going to right click, manage and browse local files. Once you're in your mods folder, you can just put this to the side and you are going to open each mod and you are going to copy the entire folder. So this folder here, not this one over here. So we're going to grab this folder and we'll just paste it in. As you can see, I've already done that. You're going to do that with both your mods that you've downloaded. You're going to just grab it and you're going to drag it in. Once you do that, you're going to have to run the game again so it can create the first time install for the time speed. So let's go ahead and open the game once more. Once you get the game open again, you will now see the settings wheel here in the bottom left. When you open this, this is now your generic mod config menu mod. This allows you to see all of your mods that you will have, but at the moment, you should only see time speed. In timespeed, you will be able to see all of the different time speeds that you've got and all of the different modifiers that you've got for the mod, as well as your controls that you can use to slow time, freeze time, speed up time, etc. All of these things will be in here and you can now configure all of your mods from here itself. With my timespeed mod, I like to keep my indoors at 5.1 and 1.4 at the rest. Something that's a lot more balanced is going to be keeping them at 1.1. However, what I like to do while I'm playing Stardew Valley is I'll have someone stream up or a YouTube video, some music that I'm constantly tabbing back and forth from. So I like to take my time while I'm in the game. So this is a little longer than you may need. Okay, and that is it. Now you know how to mod Stardew Valley. If you want to get any other mods, all you have to do is go to Nexus Mods, visit the mods for Stardew Valley, and oh my goodness, I don't think I'm allowed to show this. Okay, and from here you can just go and download any other mods that you'd like, drop them into your mods folder, and on your first launch of the game, they should run perfectly fine. I hope you guys found this useful. Enjoy the rest of your day.